Dancehall artist Elephant Man freed of immigration charges. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Crown has dropped its prosecution case against dancehall entertainer Elephant Man over charges stemming from his alleged failure to declare his reported visit to a country that was under Jamaica travel ban during the spread of the COVID-19. The case was withdrawn on Tuesday morning following a submission from his attorney, Christopher Townsend, in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on the behalf of Elephant Man. The lawyer representing the dancehall entertainer Christopher Townsend said that after the hearing, the matter came before the court yesterday. He took the time to review the evidence the Crown is relying on is sufficient to prove the case in relation to the charges before the court. The lawyer further added that when they took to the point, the prosecution agreed with us that they offered no evidence on the incident. So Elephant Man is a free man and is ecstatic about it. It has been a long haul and he can finally put this behind him. Elephant Man was accused of lying to immigration authorities about his trip to Belgium, which was on the list of countries on which Jamaica had imposed travel ban. The entertainer, who given name is Olin Bryan, was facing charges of making false declaration and false volunteer declaration. Allegations were that on March 20 last year, the artist arrived at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay and failed to declare on his immigration and custom form that he had visited Belgium. A few days later, summons was prepared for Elephant Man to appear in court to answer to breaches of immigration restrictions of the Commonwealth Citizens and Perjury Act. The artist denied the allegation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.